I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming battery health and current cycle count so you know the baseline. Once done, switch on Battery Saver and set brightness to about 30% to cut display drain. Make sure to kill background apps and turn off radios like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi when idle, because those constantly poll networks. That immediately extends usable time and reduces power spikes while you continue with deeper optimizations. Next, focus on the heavy consumers. Switch to dark mode and lower refresh to 60 Hz or less to reduce GPU power. OLED screens gain the most. Then audit apps and restrict background activity. Set critical apps to manual refresh only because continuous background processing drains battery fast. Also change push services to fetch at longer intervals. Once these are in place, your phone runs fewer weight. To finish, use a high-quality power bank or an optimized low-wattage charger to top up without stressing the battery, and reboot the phone to apply all changes. Make sure to monitor temperature and the usage graph for rogue processes. If you still see rapid drain, reset network or perform a settings reset and test in safe mode to isolate an app. If problems persist, consider battery replacement as the definitive fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.